Heel pain is very common, especially when you wake up in the morning or walk for long periods. If your heel hurts when you take your first steps, this is a sign you shouldn't ignore. Most people think it will go away on its own, but it often gets worse over time. In this video, I'll show you simple exercises and habits to reduce heel pain naturally. Let's understand why heel pain happens. Your heel supports your entire body weight when you stand or walk. When the tissue under your foot becomes tight or inflamed, it causes pain in the heel area. Common reasons include standing for long hours, walking barefoot on hard surfaces, tight calf muscles, and poor footwear. This leads to stiffness, especially dusters can. Now the second exercise. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands on the wall and step one leg back. Keep your back leg straight and press your heel down. Hold for 10 seconds and then switch legs. This stretch reduces tightness in your calves and relieves heel pressure. Now the third important stretch. Sit comfortably and pull your toes gently toward you. Hold for 10 seconds and then relax. This improves flexibility in your foot and reduces pain. Exercises help, but your habits matter even more. Avoid walking barefoot on hard floors. Wear comfortable shoes with good support. Stretch your feet in the morning before walking. Avoid standing for too long without breaks. These small habits can make a big difference. If you stay consistent with these exercises, your heel pain will start improving. Don't ignore early signs. Take care of your feet daily.
If you found this helpful, subscribe to Heal Quick for more simple health tips and quick relief exercises. Stay active, stay healthy.